It's likely that you have heard someone claim that their hair grows too slowly. So, you've come to the perfect video if you want to understand how to encourage quick and healthy hair growth. Did you know that chemical hair strengtheners can be replaced with natural alternatives? One of these substitutes is potato juice. You may promote healthy, robust hair growth by applying potato juice to your hair. But why is potato juice helpful for hair development? Potatoes are high in vitamins A, B, and C. Their juice has nutrients required to strengthen the structure of hair, promote hair growth, and make hair shine. Potato juice has calcium, manganese, zinc, and iron. These are good for the health of your hair. Should you eat tons of potatoes then? Good news! You don't have to stuff yourself with potatoes. The best alternative to eating potatoes is topical application. This solution may promote faster hair growth. Learn how to prepare this recipe using potatoes to treat your hair loss. You'll need the following. 4 potatoes. 1/2 cup of water. Start by washing and chopping your potatoes into small pieces. Put them in a blender and add the water. When the puree has a smooth consistency, use a fine cloth to filter it into a clean container. The juice and pulp will separate as a result. How to apply? Apply the paste to your scalp while gently massaging to encourage growth and add volume to your hair. Pour the separated juice over your hair. Then cover your head with a shower cap. Give it 20 to 25 minutes to work before washing it with warm water. Repeat daily until you begin to see results. Do this 3 times per week. In addition to making your hair grow faster, potato juice will give it a beautiful shine. Remember that hair treatments such as this one must be done from the inside out. This means a balanced diet is a must if you want your hair to grow naturally thicker and healthy. Have you heard of this recipe? Have you ever utilized a home remedy to encourage hair growth? Tell us about your experiences in the comment section below. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.